you got then? That's a buggy, ain't it?
That is a proper buggy, that. Wowza.
Actually, this doesn't do it justice. Let me put it on the other setting. Hold on.
I'll get it out.
So,
Hang on.
Get it out. There you go. Give me it.
Right. Take the weight.
Jesus. That is a buggy. So what is it exactly, Paul? What is this thing?
It's a 1/5 4-wheel drive MCD.
MCD.
Yeah.
My goodness me. That is, I see it. And it weighs in at?
It's around 17 and a half kilos.
17 and a half.
They run on
kilo.
2-stroke
Zenoa
engines. It's 29cc because it's 4-wheel drive. You did get different classes, so short course run up to 32.
Yeah.
And 2-wheel drive run up to 26.
Gotcha. I like the way the exhaust comes out here. That's really neat, isn't it?
Put it down. I'll take the shell off.
There we
go. I'll tell you what. There's some machinery in there.
Look at the servos, man. Oh my good god. And presumably you change gear just like you would do if you needed to on a smaller car, or would you stick with it?
Well, you can change different size spurs, different size pinions.
Yeah.
There's different types of clutches you can run. Standard clutch, which is like centrifugal. They're all centrifugal.
Yeah, gotcha. The old pads come out
on the old mini motos, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
Standard clutch works with just a spring that gets pulled, and then the shoes come out.
And do you have to set that to like a specific?
No, the standard ones you can change the spring.
Yeah.
So you can get it to come in later or get it to come in earlier.
Oh, I see.
But the clutch that's in this is basically it's a Pro-bite, which is MCD's own make, and it's worked as almost like a motorbike clutch, where when it engages, it's either on or off. There's no sort of slip to it. But you run LSDs in the front. You can run front, centre, and rear. But the 4-wheel drive, sintered pads on the low shaft. So you can run a lock bar in the centre, or you can run an actual open diff or an LSD. And then MCD do different diffs by working on different ramps that basically engage later or engage earlier. Sorry.
Look at the anti-roll bars. Yeah. Everything's just bigger. Huge, man.
It's an 8th rallycross basically. Yeah. But
what's the top speed on it, roughly?
I would say 40, 45, something like that.
That's pretty quick, isn't it? And what we've got here, is that like a carburetor?
That's your primer. Yeah. So you prime it up.
Okay.
And then, but these are tuned engines by, it's called Reactive, which is through King Cobra Racing.
Nice.
And Rick at King Cobra Racing, he imports MCD. He imports a lot of the 5th scale stuff. But
so what are you looking to get that up and running? How much we looking money was?
2.8 as a rolling car.
A rolling. So actually it's putting that on the track with tyres, nicely painted shell. How much are we talking?
Between 5 and 6 grand.
Okay, so we're not going to show your missus this video.
No.
5 and 6 grand, Carl. I have to sell my real car to get.
I was going to say that is more expensive than my real car.
But we need to go and watch this thing in action, don't we?
Definitely.
At Nene Raceway, is that right?
Nene Valley Raceway.
Nene Valley Raceway.
My local track.
We'll pop down there. Thanks for bringing it, Paul, to show us today.